Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best 3D pen. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is 3Doodler Pro Plus 3D Pen. We've already introduced you to the manufacturer 3Doodler. It also makes more professional 3D pens, namely the 3Doodler Pro Plus. This pen can print using PLA, ABS, nylon, soft materials, but also with copper, bronze, and wood. It has an LCD screen to adjust the temperature and speed of extrusion in real time, and 6 interchangeable extruders. The manufacturer specifies that because of its ergonomics and its characteristics, the 3Doodler Pro Plus is intended for professionals in architecture and design. It is available on the 3Doodler website for $200 or more. Number 7 in my list is TR Life 3Doodler Start Essentials 3D Pen. TR Life 3D Doodler Pen is a 3D pen that can be used to practice doodling. The current version of the pen has come with a lot of additional features with it. For example, the mechanism ensures that the filament does not get stuck with the pen itself. The transparent body of the pen makes you actually view this mechanism. The pen performs well, especially at its price point. If you're not sure how to start with your pen, you can try following the transparent sheet that comes with the pen. It helps you practice and may even give you inspiration for your next project. It's a great tool for beginners and kids. As an additional feature for kids, the pen can be operated with just one button. This makes it easier for kids to use the pen on their own. In short, this Doodler pen is a good 3D pen that comes at an affordable rate. It's simple, easy to use, and has accessories that help you get started with 3D drawing. It's important to note, though, that one of the drawbacks of this pen is that it can only be used with PLA filament. This can be a significant downside for a lot of professional users. Number 6 in my list is Scrib Advance 3D Pen. If you've been shopping for a 3D pen, you'll notice that there are a lot of choices out there outside of our 8 picks. One of the best out there is the Advanced 3D Printing Pen from Scrib3D. While some won't look further than the pen's compatibility with both ABS and PLA filaments, we urge you to look deeper into one of the most versatile pens out there. To start with, unlike other pens out there, the Advanced Pen from Scrib3D provides you with full control over the temperature. Simply adjust the temperature with the buttons on either side of the pen's LCD screen. The pen also offers users speed control, which is important for large areas or creating minute details. With an ergonomic design that gives you a comfortable feeling during use, all of the pen's controls are well placed to keep making adjustments from being awkward. With a plastic construction and ceramic nozzle, you can use the Advanced 3D Pen to create your own masterpieces. Draw, doodle, sketch, and build like a pro in 3D with our new Scrib3D Advanced Pen. It features variable speed control, a large LCD screen to help monitor heat, and sleek and ergonomic design with curvature intended to fit your hand for the most comfortable 3D drawing experience on the market. The Advanced Pen's soft touch surface includes 2 colors, 20 feet, of PLA plastic, power adapter, step-by-step manual, and a free stencil guide. Just plug it in, heat it up, and enjoy the unlimited fun of creating. Plug the adapter into the back of the pen and choose your filament. The red light will turn on indicating warm up. This will take about 2 to 3 mins. Double-click the forward button to. Number 5 in my list is 3Doodler Start Plus 3D Pen. If there is one demographic that loves creating artwork more than anyone, it's kids, and the Start Plus 3D Pen from 3Doodler is a great wireless pen that's been designed for use by kids ages 6 and up. With this type of design, the controls are kept to a minimum and the safety testing has been strict. While you're restricted to 3Doodler's own filaments, the pack that comes with the Start Plus has 48 strands in 8 different colors. With each strand 60 inches in length, your little one will be able to make design after design before you need to buy more filament. The only child-safe 3D pen, designed with no hot parts, completely safe for kids aged 8+. Pen nozzle and plastic can safely be touched with no burn risks. As a tactile learning toy, The 3 Doodler Start inspires creativity, design, planning, building, and spatial understanding. Number 4 in my list is Scrib3D Pen. From the outside, the overall design of the P1 3D pen from Scrib3D appears to be bulky. Its design helps it fit comfortably into almost anyone's hands, and the lightweight will keep you from suffering any repetitive strain injuries, RSI. With functions such as temperature and speed, creating great artwork with either PLA or ABS filament is a breeze. Designed to be easy to use, the P1 is a great option for kids, as well thanks to an aluminum spatula that will protect their little fingers from touching the nozzle when it's hot. Packed with a bunch of features to keep any student, hobbyist, or experienced artist happy, the P1 3D pen from Scrib3D is a great practical tool. Draw, doodle, and build in 3D with this affordable yet high-grade 3D pen. The new Scrib3D P1 3D pen helps improve spatial thinking, creativity, and artistic. Includes 3 colors, 30 feet, of PLA plastic to keep you doodling for ages, as well as a power adapter, step-by-step manual, and a free stencil guide. Just plug in, heat it up, and... Number 3 in my list is 3 Doodler Create Plus 3D Pen. With a beautiful ergonomic design, the Create Plus from 3 Doodler is a great 3D pen for beginners. Easy to use, the pen supports PLA and ABS filaments as well as FLEXY plastic to create 3D artwork. The downside is that the filaments you use need to be ones from 3 Doodler. The Create Plus pen comes with a detailed guidebook plus 75 filaments to get you started. The pen gives you control over temperature and speed, which is good for more experienced users who are looking to do a little more detailed work with the Create Plus pen. While designed for beginners, the efficient and reliable performance makes this pen a great choice for anyone. Get the best 3D drawing experience by only using the best and safest 3 Doodler Create plastic filaments. The Create Plus 3D printing pen is compatible with 3 Doodler Create 3mm, the world's first in a 3D printing device, featuring improved power, durability, and reliability for a superior doodling experience. Number 2 in my list is XYZ Printing 3D Pen. The problem that many have with buying a 3D pen that's budget-friendly is that it either doesn't perform well or breaks easily. Designed with an orange-colored case, the Vinci 3D pen from XYZ Printing is a great budget 3D pen that gets the job done. While it only uses PLA filaments, the USB-powered pen has a lightweight design that extrudes a choice of 11 filaments, all in different colors, through its 0.8mm nozzle. While the price may keep some from thinking this is a great budget choice, the pen also comes with 1.75mm of non-toxic filament refill, plus maintenance and repair tools. Best of all, if you get stuck, the company has a support line you can reach through ticket, Skype, or telephone. The Plan refill filaments are non-toxic Plan filament made from organic materials. Number 1 in my list is MYNT Professional 3D Pen. If your goal is to get the best 3D pen that's currently available, then you need to look no further than the 3D Pen Pro from MNT3D. With its lightweight and ergonomic design, it's a great choice for beginners, but also provides the features that those with more experience using a 3D pen look for. Supporting not just ABS and PLA filaments, the manufacturer states that you can use any thermoplastic that's 1.75mm and melts between 284 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The adjustable feed allows you to regulate the speed and flow of the filament so you stay in control the whole time. The pen is USB powered, meaning you'll have to plug it into your laptop or a wall outlet, but with temperature adjustments able to be done in 1-degree increments, creating incredible 3D artwork has never been easier. Watch imagination come to life with the Professional 3D Pen. Adjustable feed lets you regulate speed and flow for optimal control of material while you're drawing. Temperature is adjustable in 1-degree increments from 140 to 230 C for optimal fine-tuning. Large OLED display lets you monitor temperature of material to help you achieve a wide variety of effects. Kit includes 3 colors of ABS plastic filament A and C adapter and slim ergonomic touch pen with 1-year limited warranty. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.